Hey there, YouTube enthusiasts. Today, we're going to walk you through the simple process of redeeming your YouTube Premium code. Let's dive right in. First things first. Launch any of your preferred browsers. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like. Now, at the top of your browser, you'll see the search box. Type in youtube.com/redeem. When you type it, hit the enter button. And just like that, you'll land on a page that looks something like this. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll need to enter the code you want to redeem. It might be a code from a gift card or a promotion you've received. Once you've entered the code, click on Next. This step is crucial to complete the redemption process. And there you have it. Your code is successfully redeemed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.